Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Andrew Anime Toys, and today I'm gonna make a special video about the most anticipating game ever been released in the anime game history, bringing all your favorite anime heroes in one single game. And I'm barely got this package today, and usually I don't make this type of videos, but I'm gonna make an exception since this game is really special to me. Why not? Alright, let's begin with the video. J-Star Victory vs Anison Sound Edition. This is pretty much a limited edition version will contain about 21 different pieces of music based off your favorite anime heroes instead of buying the normal version of the game. Also, this game is only on PS3, it's not out yet in the US. Alright everyone, since this game will be in Japanese and no English subtitle is not available yet, it's gonna be hard for those people who don't understand the language or understand the writing, but it's okay, I got you covered. I will post most of the useful information in English, so it might help you while you are playing this game. Alright people, thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video helped you out in playing this amazing game. And if you're planning to buy this game, you can search it on your anime online store, and for any question you want to ask me, just leave your comments below. Okay, this is Andrew from Andrew Anime Toys, and I'll see you on the next review, and enjoy your game.